U.S. immigration reform, a look at pro- and anti-immigrant bills. Welcome to our video on U.S. immigration reform, where we explore both pro- and anti-immigrant bills. This year, legislatures advancing harmful policies targeting immigrant communities have stolen the headlines. As we reach mid-2024, most states have concluded their legislative sessions with immigrant-related policies taking center stage. While extreme proposals have become law, many states have also advanced welcoming policies to help newcomers succeed. The Council's state and local initiatives team tracked over 700 bills in 2024. These range from establishing offices of new Americans to expanding licensure opportunities for internationally trained professionals. Florida will now expand licensure opportunities for internationally trained physicians, supported by bipartisan agreement. Meanwhile, Washington's new law allows certain professional licenses regardless of immigration status. Virginia's measure addresses healthcare in underserved communities by offering provisional licenses to foreign-trained physicians. Similarly, Wisconsin enacted provisional licenses for internationally trained physicians and assistants, which become permanent after 3 years. Several states introduced legislation to establish a statewide Office of New Americans. 20 states now have these offices or senior policy officials focused on immigrant integration initiatives, tackling areas like workforce development and language access. Hawaii created an immigration services unit to ensure equitable access to state services for immigrant communities. Maine's supplemental budget funds positions to support its Office of New Americans program. Some states took novel approaches to welcoming immigrants and refugees. Colorado passed bills providing grants to community organizations and establishing a language advisory board for legislative process access. California is advancing a bill to ensure state colleges don't disqualify students for employment due to lack of federal work authorization. Oregon passed a bill requiring a statewide education plan for students from immigrant backgrounds. Legislatures also showed support for refugee communities by adopting resolutions celebrating their contributions. Utah passed a resolution honoring its history of welcoming refugees, while Michigan and New York declared June 20, 2024, as World Refugee Day. However, several states passed immigrant-related resolutions urging action on southern border issues or condemning federal immigration handling. Others advanced anti-sanctuary policies and expanded cooperation with federal immigration authorities. Extreme anti-immigrant measures, often modeled after Texas SB 4, were introduced in states like Iowa, Oklahoma, and Louisiana. Arizona will have a ballot initiative to decide on a similar law, creating fear and distrust among immigrant communities. These measures are being challenged in court, but their impact is felt. They create fear, harm state economies, and affect all residents. Immigration policies at the state level remain crucial, particularly with a presidential election looming. Regardless of the election outcome, significant immigrant-related policies will continue to be enacted at the state level. States remain a catalyst for policies impacting immigrants, showcasing the potential positive impact on their lives in the U.S. For more information, visit our website inmigracionivisa.com.